Welcome. The StreamShare feature gives you the power to deliver your live content to more people in your target audience. This quick video will show you how a supporter, ally, or colleague opens the StreamShare link and selects the social channels they want to opt in. So how does it work? Let's say Sharon wants to live stream her upcoming speech on her supporters' social media channels. She grabs the StreamShare link from her Switchboard account and shares it with her supporters. Jack receives the link and opens it on his phone. He immediately selects his YouTube channel because he wants Sharon to go live on it. On the day of Sharon's speech, she'll simultaneously go live on her socials and Jack's YouTube channel. Jack's subscribers will receive a notification that he's live on YouTube and will watch Sharon's speech. So let's get started. Open the StreamShare link. The top part has been customized by the Switchboard account owner, who has given some context about the StreamShare page. Next, click on one of the social media icons to authorize the social channels to opt in. Note that you'll need to meet the individual platforms' live streaming requirements. We'll start with YouTube. Click the YouTube icon and begin following the prompts. We've successfully added the YouTube channel. Now, we'll repeat these steps to add more social channels like Facebook, X, and Twitch. The process is pretty much the same for each platform. You can repeat these steps if you have multiple YouTube channels or Facebook pages you want to add. Let's say we want to remove a social channel. Press the three dots next to the destination that you want to remove. A small pop-up will display. Click delete and then yes. What happens next? The social channels will automatically appear in the Switchboard account. When the Switchboard account owner goes live, they select the destinations they want to live stream, including the shared ones. Thanks for watching. Check out Switchboard Live to discover the benefits of the StreamShare feature.